Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to create column within container in Elementor WordPress. So it's like inner section. Now inner section is removed from Elementor plugin. So we are going to add inner column within container. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now you see plus icon. So click on it. Again click on it. So you can select your structure. Now you see directional container. So this is directional column and this is directional row. So we are going to add inner column. Now select this. Now this is directional column. Now click on edit container. Now you see direction column vertical. Now go to container. Now you see layout, drag and drop like this. Now container edit, so you can add some text. Again click on it. Now you see adding, drag and drop. Now you see adding edit. So now we are going to add inner column like inner section. Again go to container. Now drag and drop like this. Now container edit. So this is like nested container. On left side you see layout and then you see direction. Now select row horizontal. Now click on it. Now go to container layout. Now drag and drop. Now you see more container edit. Now you see edit container, right click on it and then click on duplicate. Now you see 2 column layout. Again click on duplicate. Now you see 3 column layout within container like inner section. So we edit some image like this. Now drag and duplicate. So this is our main container, and then you see we added 2 container. One container hold text, another container has 3 within container like inner section or inner column. So in this way you can create columns within container in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.